Hello, for the shoe, I use this size of yarn with a 4.0 millimeter crochet hook. This is 100% acrylic yarn. And this one. Round 1, start with the magic ring. Chain and 6 single crochet inside the ring. Then round 2, do a increase or 2 single crochet in each of the stitch. Then another single crochet in the same stitch. Then repeat around for 12 stitches around. Then for round 3 and 4, do a single crochet in each stitch for 12 stitches. Once done with the round 4, this is what it looked like. Then cut the yarn. Pull up the hook. Then we will do a invisible join. Insert your darning needle in the second stitch. The stitch marker, remove the stitch marker. Then insert your darning needle in the back loop in this last stitch. Then hide the ends here. So the stitches will not move. Normally, we'll still have 12 stitches around. Then, we'll change the color. Insert the black yarn in the back loop stitch. And make a chain. Then hold this yarn, do a single crochet in the next back loop stitch in the next, and make a first single crochet. So that's 1, 2, back loop only single crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 in the beginning chain. And then cut the yarn and do again the invisible join. Then now again we will change in green yarn. Insert in any stitch you would like and make a chain. Then single crochet in the next stitch. That's one. Then single crochet 2 in the next, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 in the beginning chain. Then round 7 and 8, do a single crochet in each for 2 rounds of 12 stitches around, and do not cut the yarn. Okay, once done, this is what it looked like after the 3 rounds of the green yarn. Then we will count backwards a 6 stitches and insert your hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert right here and take your white yarn. Okay, make a chain, then add a single crochet in that same where you did the chain. Do a single crochet, then hold the tail and single crochet in the next. This is 2, in the next 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then chain 1. Chain 1 does not count as a stitch. Single crochet in that stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, then cut extra tail for sewing the heel. Okay, but first we will continue the green yarn. We'll make a single crochet in the next 2 stitches, then increase 1, in the next 2, and then increase in the next. In the next 2 is 1 single crochet, in the next 1 single crochet, then increase. Then do a single crochet in each rows here in the side. So 1 single crochet and then another single crochet in the next row. Then across the stitch on the other side of this white yarn, do another of single crochet. So 1 on this side, and then another one on this next row. Okay, and then for the next round we will do 4 rounds of 12 stitches or single crochet in each. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Then in the next 4 rounds, do a single crochet in each for 4 rounds of 12 stitches. But before that, we will close this heel using this tail here. So now I will show you. I already made the 4 rounds of single crochet of 12 stitches of the green yarn going to the top. Then again do a invisible join. And once you made the 4 rounds, continue with the black yarn 1 round and insert it in the back loop only. Then white yarn for 2 rounds.